Siddharth?
Slowly.
Be careful.
What are all of you doing here?
When you didn't come back, we decided to come here to check on you.
Sid, how did you lose your consciousness? What happened to you? Are you feeling all right now? Or shall I call the doctor? Tell us how you're feeling.
I'm all right, Nanda. I suddenly felt dizzy and lost consciousness. Acidity. It might be due to that.
Oh,
Acidity?
indigestion.
What are all of you doing here?
Okay.
Everybody will be looking for us.
Sit. Relax. Go out
Yes.
and have fresh air. You'll breathe properly and
Yes,
you'll feel
yes,
better.
yes.
Please, come on.
Go out.
Yes,
I'll
fresh
be
air.
back soon.
Everything
Okay,
is
okay.
fine.
What happened? Go out?
What happened just now, Brother Rajiv? Grandfather's brave grandson got scared of a ghost? Did this really happen?
Hey, brother Rajiv. I still can't believe that this is happening. Really can't. Brother Sid got scared like this and...
Sandy, shut up.
What is
Don't
it?
make
What's
fun
it?
of him. He really got scared. It caused him too much trouble.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, really. Sid was embarrassed. Poor fellow. Today I will ask Grandpa if Sid was scared of ghosts when he was a child.
Okay, guys, listen. All of you carry on.
Huh?
I won't have dinner tonight. If I don't go for a walk, I'll also have acidity and lose consciousness. I'll go and see what Sid is doing. All of you take care, please. Sure. Sid? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm totally fine. Where's everybody? Grandpa must be worried about all of us. Rajiv, come on, let's go.
Sid, you are feeling embarrassed. All of us have some or the other weakness. Learn to face your weakness. Don't run away from it. Day Siddharth Modak.
Where are you, Appa? Sushmita Mithai, don't delay in serving dinner. The weather is quite bad today. The power supply has been
Dad, we
restored.
are ready. Where's your gang? I can't see or hear them.
You are right. Just call them again.
What? Hey, Rajiv. Rajiv, sir. The khichdi will become cold.
Grandpa? Grandpa?
Yes.
There's nobody in the room. Where are all of them gone?
Here we are. The entire gang has arrived. We will. I mean, Grandpa, we went out to check out how the weather was.
Yes.
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 Actually, you know what happened? A few trees got uprooted. But the weather is really
Absolutely.
pleasant. What do you say, Nanda?
Yes. The weather is awesome. Just fantastic.
Hold on. I can smell something fishy here.
Yes.
Why did all of you go out?
At the crossroads.
Yeah. No, we were just...
Grandma, why are you standing? Please,
You
please
sit down. By the way, where is Ratul?
Yeah. Where is Ratul? He's not around.
Well, Ratul went for a walk as the weather was quite pleasant.
Yes.
What is all this? Nobody can eat unless a new son-in-law eats. The food is also getting cold.
No, Grandma. Ratu said he wouldn't have dinner He said he couldn't digest the lunch he had. Forget him and serve food to others.
I'll go upstairs.
What happened? Why are all of you laughing?
What did I tell you, Mom? I smelled something fishy. See, look.
Rajiv, what happened?
What has happened?
You smelled something fishy. It was the smell of fried fish.
Grandpa, something very interesting happened today. You must hear it from Mithai.
Hold on. Siddharth went upstairs without speaking a word. I think you have harassed my grandson. And why is that?
No, Grandpa. We did not do anything. Tell me something. Is Sid scared of ghosts? Was he scared as a child?
What? How did you find out the secret?
Actually, Grandpa, Sid had fainted. He accepted the challenge given by Mithai. We were in the
Rajiv,
Yes?
you all people scared Siddharth. This is just too much. Whose idea was it?
I suggest that we go for dinner now. We can chat while we have dinner.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
Come on.
Come on. Let's
Hey,
go.
Mithai, hold on. Listen to me, Mithai. Sid won't eat khichdi. Take soup for him to his room.
Yes,
Come on.
yes. You come and have dinner. I'll go and serve him. Nobody can go to your angry grandson's room now.
Grandpa, I told Sid not to accept any challenge, but he didn't listen.
softly. If Sid can see you laughing, he will create a ruckus at home. So laugh softly, Mithai. Understand? That's why softly.
No. I don't like all this. An incident happened just during his hostel days when he got scared.
See, he got locked in a dark room. He got terrified, you know that? But it happened years ago.
No, Dad, I don't understand one thing. That why they were trying to scare him. I am 100% sure that Rajiv gave this idea to everyone.
What's this? You blame me for everything. That's what you think, right? Whose idea it was, who made the plan, it's useless to think about all these things. Okay, I would like to tell each one of you that we won't discuss ghosts anymore. Got it?
Okay.
I think we crossed the limit with Siddharth. You know what? If someone has childhood fears, then it can last lifelong. Mithai,
Hmm?
please go and give some soup to Siddharth.
Yes, I'll go and give it to him. Brother Sandy, listen to me.
What happened?
I have kept the ghost costume in the warehouse. Why don't you hide it? I'll be in great trouble if he finds out.
Yes, you're right. I also think that Brother Sid will go to the warehouse in the morning to check. Listen, go and serve dinner to everybody. I'll go quickly and handle everything over there, okay?
Where did Sandeep go, Mithai?
He will come back soon, grandmother.
You saw them, Sulata. They have started having dinner without us. You guys can't leave us out. Mom, what's on the menu for dinner tonight?
Amrish. So finally you have come. Shri and Ratul have come for the post-wedding rituals, but you weren't home.
Come.
Uncle?
Yes, my child. Let me see your sweet face. How are you, darling?
Uncle,
Yes?
you can talk later. Wash your hands quickly and join us. Come on, sit down for dinner. Today there's khichdi and fish fry for dinner.
What are you saying? Then I can't delay any further.
Mom?
Mom, won't you meet Shri? Look at her. She looks beautiful.
Sulata. What happened? Shri, come with me. Look at me. Touch her feet.
It's okay.
Listen, Sulata. Bless her with all your heart. Do you think that what you're doing is acceptable in a family? Why are you doing this? Why don't you express your feelings?
Aunt Sulata, are you still angry with me? Why will I be angry? Do you know what, Shri? I thought that you loved your younger sister a lot, but you didn't even think about her once.
You thought she didn't think about her? She agreed to get married because she definitely thought of her sister. Don't you understand that? Oppa, I'm really surprised at you. Why do you even try to explain things to Sulata? Did she ever think rationally?
Uncle, you please don't speak to Aunt like this. Aunt loves Shri as her own daughter. She can express her feelings if she's upset. Aunt, you look tired. I think you should go to the room and rest.
Hey, Amresh, come and sit for dinner. The food is getting cold. Come.
Are you all right?
Don't talk unnecessarily. I hate it, you know.
Mithai doesn't want to talk. Just wanted to know if you need any medicine.
I can take the medicines I need.
And
Yeah, Aunt. The hearing date of the divorce? It's on next Monday. Okay, I'll inform Grandpa.
Hey, listen. Mithai told us to decorate the bed with petals. Their nuptial night rituals were not observed. That's why she wants to surprise them.
Hey Nanda, do we need to do all this? I'm feeling very upset after hearing about the divorce. I'm really disturbed. I, Shri and Nipa decided to bring brother Sid and Mithai closer, but in between this news came in and I'm really...
Listen, Jiju,
Hmm?
I was saying, brother Sid is not like he was before. I was thinking that why don't we tell him to withdraw the case?
You can try if you like, but I don't think it's going to help.
I think Mithai kept my laptop charger in this room. There it is. I knew it. I told her several times not to mess with my belongings, but no, she never listens to anything.
Siddharth, it is useless to shout at her now. Just let it be. It's a matter of few days.
Why are you saying this so sadly? Okay. So, all of you all will miss Mithai a lot. Look, nobody told her to leave the house after the divorce. If she didn't have a big ego, she could have stayed here and secured her future. In fact, I offered to help her too. But your superwoman refused to take any help. There she is. She's standing there. Ask her. Didn't I offer to support her?
By the way, brother Sid, what are we going to ask Mithai? Tell me. I mean, all of us know that you want to help her. But why will she accept your favor?
Why won't she, Sandy? I don't understand.
Very strange, brother Sid.
Sandy, stop it. No need to explain anything to him.
Why, Rajiv? I want to know. I'm standing here. Come on, tell me.
Brother Sid, is it necessary to get a divorce?
Hey, Nipa. Look, don't be upset. Why are you crying? Don't cry.
Sister Nipa, what happened? Are you crying? What is this? Don't cry. We will decorate the room for Sister Shri and Brother Ratul. And you are crying. No, don't cry. Do you all love Mithai so much? Mithai doesn't want anybody to feel bad for her. Listen, decorate the room. I'll go and check what Brother Ratul and Sister Shri are doing. I won't let anybody come here, got it?
Slowly, Mithai. Slowly, Mithai. You'll trip and fall down the stairs. Nanda, tell your genius to walk slowly. If she meets with an accident, everybody will create a ruckus here.
You are so concerned about Mithai, and yet you're not ready to accept her. You're so strange, Sid. Really.
What do I have to accept? What do I have to accept? I'm tired of telling everybody that I don't believe in the institution of marriage. Look, the entire idea that two people stay together after marriage and love each other is absurd to me. I just find it rubbish. I've repeated this several times, but none of you is ready to understand. So I don't want to repeat myself.
Nanda, come here. You don't have to explain anything to Siddharth. It's him who has to realize that he has married her. Marriage is a commitment. He just can't ignore this bond so casually. Let him realize this fact. You come here.
Sister Shri, don't open your eyes. Got it? You will open your eyes only when I tell you to open them, okay?
What are all of you up to, Mithai?
Come with me. Open your eyes.
Brother Som, what is the surprise? Nothing special. We didn't observe the rituals of your wedding night. So we decided to look around and see everywhere. You like it?
Ratul, don't look at me like that. It's not my idea. But like everyone here, I too think that Sri and you must start your life afresh from today. You both had enough of conflicts, misunderstandings, and unpleasant behavior. You must leave everything behind and look forward towards the future. Come on, let's go now. Come,
Let's go.
Nandu. Come.
Sister Shri, didn't you like the decoration? Brother Ratul is a very nice person. Please don't mind anything he says, Sister Shri. I'm sure he will love you one day. Lord can never refuse Mithai's prayers. Mithai has told Lord to bless you with a happy life.
You will never express your sorrows, right, Mithai?
I will go now. Let's go, Sister Nipa.